District Attorney Larry Krasner, a Soros-funded DA in Philadelphia, is speaking about that murder over the weekend.
Who are affected by what occurred and who work to try to make it better now as much as they can and to try to make it better in the future. This is their opportunity to talk, and it's their opportunity for the public to understand that an entire community does come together despite the horrific trauma of this nightmarish mass shooting. Someone back there, while we were getting ready, said the bullets don't care, but we do. I'd say that's about right. The bullets don't care, but we do. And I know the rest of this city does, and I know the rest of this country does. I want to identify some of the good people who are here today, many of whom will be speaking. We have ADA Joanne Pescatore, who is the chief of the DAO's Homicide and Non-Fatal Shooting Unit. We have the prosecutor specifically assigned to this case and assigned to the case from the beginning, and that is ADA Bob Wainwright of the DAO's Homicide Non-Fatal Shooting Unit. We have with us the Reverend Myra Maxwell, director of the DAO's Victim Support Services Division, who has done incredible work with her team to try to reach out to so many different victims, survivors, co-survivors, and families affected by this tragedy. Reverend Maxwell is here with Shakina DeShazer, who is the administrative manager of the DAO's CARES unit. Now, the CARES unit is the subpart of the victim witness unit in the DA's office that is specifically tasked with working intensively with the families of homicide victims in the first 45 days. Just imagine for a second what it's like when you can't afford the funeral, what it's like when you feel that you're endangered, what it's like when all that grief is crushing you and causing health problems in your family. Just imagine what it's like to try to deal with all the immediate logistics and simultaneously try to find a way in the future to address your own trauma. Well, that's the kind of work that is done by Reverend Maxwell, Shakina DeShazer, and we also have Shalyn Harris, who is a victim witness coordinator specifically working in our Homicide Non-Fatal Shooting Unit and specifically working on this particular case. Aunt Brown, Anthony Brown. Aunt Brown is here for ABRO, that's A-B-R-O, which is an anti-gun violence organization that works in schools. As you may know, a lot of juveniles have been affected very directly and indirectly by this, and we appreciate his work, appreciate his being here.
We'll continue to monitor the news conference here from the DA in Philadelphia. Also, police are updating us later this afternoon. Again, this is all related to a terrible shooting where 5 people were killed, and among the injured are twins. Again, the suspect in the case here faced a judge today, and there was no plea, but he is being held without bail. More details ahead for you as they develop here. Also,